Music has been such a signifying feature of humanity. We have music everywhere. I grew up with Jewish music and later on was introduced to classic music and to the folk music of other nations. What's fascinating about music is how people feel that it's magical. In a certain sense, it is magical indeed. Remarkably though, to composers, music isn't a magical mystery, but a science. Music is a science to us. We know how to create certain effects with sound. We have recipes for how to create certain emotions. Emotions of rest, tension, pleas and requests, assurance and answers. We know how to give you a sense of home and belonging, how to create sweetness, and even how to be cheeky and cute with music. It's been a science for centuries. To composers, it's a science, and to the wider public, it's a magical mystery. People hire music teachers to teach them how to play, because they so deeply desire to create that magic. They are taught how to play music, but no one ever teaches people how to understand music. At this point, I wonder how many creators of music still understand music. I've discovered in my life that it's surprisingly possible to create musicality within people who consider themselves completely disassociated from music. I've gotten people to learn how to sing in tune, even if beforehand they couldn't hold a tune for the life of them. I've gotten people to have the most profound appreciation for music, even if beforehand it didn't speak to them at all. I managed to get people to not only play music, but recognize music, play it by ear, improvise and compose music. I've developed a clear method to translate music as a language, because that's what it is. It's a subconscious language to musicians and to most of us. I've taken the task of turning that subconscious into consciousness. With the method I created, I've taught children and adults to become conscious of the language of music. It's most rewarding to be able to share that. When I was younger, I felt very alone in my deep love for music. It's an appreciation that is so profound and touches the very essence of my being, and yet I felt so alone in it. Unbelievably though, through my teaching, I found the possibility to share it with others. And not only is it rewarding for me, but I see what it does to them. It allows them to shine in the joy of music and opens doors for them to a new world and to new inner worlds within them that stay with them for the rest of their lives.